Hello dear Aquarius, welcome back to my channel and this is your May 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. May has come to an end and if you are a sun moon rising Aquarius, this reading is going to be interesting for you. Let's see how this week is going to turn out. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get your reading in advance and you're prepared to handle the week. And if you would like to book any personal reading, ritual or counseling session, please stay tuned till the end. I will reveal more information about it. Let's begin with your career now. You've got the Three of Spheres and the Pepes card in your career. I do see that a lot of success, abundance, and money is coming your way. It is due, but it is just waiting for a right decision to come from your end. I do feel that you are very confused as to stay in a job, change it, start a new business or which business. You have a lot of confusions around your work, no matter what field you are in. And if you are a student, you could be confused about which school or college to go. The cards are saying that this week, instead of listening to others, please listen to yourself. Listen to your intuition because your intuition is very strong and you're very much connected to your higher wisdom. Your higher wisdom is going to guide you to make the right decision for yourself. Even your friends and family might not know the correct path for you, the path that you are supposed to follow, the career choice that you are supposed to take, right? They might they may have good intentions towards you when they're guiding you to a certain path, but only you and your soul knows which path to choose. So if you're getting a nudge from your intuition to take a certain path, no matter what others are saying, even if they're saying, no, 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 this might not be the right choice for you. But if you really feel that is, please follow your intuition because that is probably the right choice for you and that will give you a lot of success, abundance. And I also see that this week can be a foundational week for you, which means the successes are beginning to develop. You have to lay the foundation. Okay, do not expect returns this week. So you will have to lay foundation, work hard probably, longer working hours, set up a business, right? All this is a foundational stage, which will lead you to ultimate success and glory that you're looking for. But I do see eventually a lot of success is coming your way. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Postulant card and the Magician card. Okay. Uh, in your love life, you're stressing. A lot of you could be single. A lot of you could have gone through a divorce or breakup or a no contact situation. You're trying to either have a reconciliation with this partner or you're trying to manifest a new partner. But it has not been worked out till now, right? I'll tell you what exactly it is that you need to do to manifest that in your life. No matter what it is, if you want to get married, if you want a relationship, if you want a situationship, or if you want a reconciliation, whatever you want to manifest, that can happen this week. Why am I saying that? Because the Magician card is a very good card to have in your reading. It is a card of manifestation, which means that your manifestation powers are very, very strong this week. So if only you're thinking positively, will you be able to attract the positive consequences of your thinking. But if you're feeling negative or thinking negative, stressing about a situation, then it is very much possible that you only attract the negative things. So please be wary of that. Please only have a positive mindset this week to attract the good things in your life. If you stay positive, you will see how soon your life will change for the better. Overall, if I see, it is going to be a beautiful week for you. A lot of foundational work it is to be done. A lot of work it is to be done, within and externally as well. Like you have to constantly think positive. You have to constantly work hard, but it's going to give you huge success and rewards in your personal life as well. It is a beautiful week, guys. So if you guys like this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you resonated with this reading, please comment and let me know what situation you're going through. I will be reading all your comments and I will try to reply to all of you. And yes, if you still have any question regarding this or any other area of your life, health, business, career, any specific questions that you want to know, you can always book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. If you want to remove blockages from your life or manifest any desire, I do rituals as well. So you can book easy, transformational, powerful and cheap rituals. third, I have different packages available for you guys. So if you're single, I have a different package for you. There will be multiple set of questions and remedies in every package, whether you are looking for career specific package or love specific package. And if you're single, why is it not happening? What is exactly blocking it? I will give you a remedy to change your life situation as well. And lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think that you're going through a very troubled time, you're not able to share it with anyone, there are some things that you're ashamed of talking to people, or you have deep dark secrets, but they're actually creating a hole in your heart, then you can always come to me, share your burdens. I will also be, with the help of your angels, giving you some remedy, some positivity, and I will be listening to you without any judgment. So please feel free to book any kind of sessions with me. I do have audio video sessions as well, half an hour, 1 hour sessions as well, but only and only on Instagram, Google Meet and Zoom. WhatsApp is not available on my channel. And to book any kind of booking session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, The Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram, because I post all these details on a daily basis over there. Here, I'll only be meeting you weekly, but over there, what prices, what discounts, what rituals to do, when to do, what not to do, everything in my stories on a daily basis. So that will be very helpful for you guys. So please take care of yourselves. Share this video with more of your friends and family. Spread the word, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.